In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share Google Forms using email and link sharing. Whether you're looking to collaborate with colleagues, gather data efficiently, or simply streamline communication, sharing Google Forms is a powerful tool at your disposal. So let's dive into the process step by step to ensure you can easily share your forms with others. First, you'll want to navigate to your Google Drive. You can do this by opening up your preferred web browser and typing in drive.google.com. This will bring you to the main dashboard where you'll find everything stored in your Google Drive, including your forms. Once you're on your Google Drive page, take a look at the left-hand side of the screen. There you'll see various options listed under My Drive, but what you need to focus on is the Apps section. Click on it and you'll notice a drop-down menu featuring different Google applications. From this drop-down you will see Forms. Click on Forms and it will take you to your list of existing Google Forms. Look through your forms to find the one you're ready to share. Take a moment to select the specific form you want to send out. After selecting your form, you'll be redirected to the form's main page. Here, at the top right corner of the screen, you'll see the share icon, which looks like a small arrow or paper airplane. Go ahead and click on it. This will open up the sharing menu where you can start the process of sharing your form with others. In this sharing menu, you'll notice there's an option to enter email addresses. This is how you can directly share the form via email. Type the email addresses of the people you want to share the form with, separating each address with a comma. You can also add an optional message to share some context with the recipients if needed. Once you've added the email addresses, it's time to send your form. To do that, simply click the send button at the bottom of the email address field. This action will send an email invitation to the recipients, giving them access to the form. And there you have it, your form is now shared through email. Remember, sharing via links is another alternative, where you simply copy the generated link and distribute it through your preferred communication platform. This method is particularly useful when sharing with larger audiences or when direct email addresses aren't available. That's how you share Google Forms via email and link sharing. Follow these steps and you'll have your form shared in no time. Thanks for joining me and happy sharing.